Good morning. Today we are here at the Warner Brothers studio tour in Hollywood, Los Angeles. We'll take you along with us and show you what it's all about. Together then.
Hello, if you're here for the standard English tour, those tours go out every 10 minutes. Again, the standard English tour goes every 10 minutes, so whenever you are ready, head
Firefan is also Hannah's house right as well. You see this house being used for the Billy Gardell TV show. The area itself is a great little So this area here, you guys might recognize the big one, Desert Housewives, one, WandaVision, things like that. Two and a Half Men, ER, The Ellen Show, Big Bang Theory, and of course Friends right over there. So there are 5 shows that have that plaque. I would argue Friends is the most popular of the 5 shows. Right is how much space you have to do your working and how your sound is tall. You can actually see the size difference between 50 and 60 to see just how much bigger. Ask our experts in size. Crazy. But have fun.
Lovely.
Christmas wrong. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents.
Yeah.
What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents.
can try.
Far away. Bigger than
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. So try me on and I will tell you where you ought to be.
Ah, shrewd and sharp.
Slytherin!
This is cool. Can you go with that?
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. So try me on and I will...
afternoon. Group holders too, come on in.
Hannah, what's this one? Hello. You know they moved.
What?
Didn't you know they moved? You moved office, didn't they, in the last one? Looking at the whole building, the wrong building the whole time. Hello, good afternoon. We're here at the Hollywood sign. Make sure you watch one of our videos that will drop soon, showing you how to get hit and get this view where nobody else is, pretty much to ourselves. Anyway, we today have been very busy. We have visited the Warner Brothers studio, did the studio tour there. It was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was really fun. It's more interactive than I thought it was going to be,
Yeah,
so that was good.
there for a good 2-3 hours.
Yeah, about 3 hours we were there.
Definitely worth the money, and they've got Starbucks in the lobby that you can take around with you, so that was a bonus. And then we went down to the Hollywood Walk of Fame, saw that, walked about for a good couple of hours, walked down to Sunset Boulevard where we got to see the Oppenheim Group, because we're big fans of Selling Sunset.
Big fan. Wish we could live in the houses.
Would be nice, wouldn't it? And then we got an Uber up to the Griffith Observatory, which is closed today because it's a Monday, it's the only day of the week it's closed. But we got to see the amazing views over LA.
You can still walk around it, can't you, even though it's closed, so
Yeah.
unless you're interested in going inside, which we weren't particularly, it's worth going, free to get in.
Yeah.
Just get an Uber or a Lyft trip to the top. And they have parking as well if you've got your own car. And we had a little lay down, enjoyed the sunshine because it's actually sunny in LA today, so that's nice.
And then we got a Uber up to here, the Hollywood sign. and we'll show you how to do that yourselves.
We're gonna just have a walk maybe down to the park, aren't we? Can't remember what it's called.
It's Lake Hollywood Park, which is another cool place to see it. It's not as close as this, but it's a close place to see the sign and get the photos. But other than that, yeah, we will check in tonight when we go for dinner. What time is it? It's open. Yeah.